How's it going, everybody? Daner here with North Central Builds, and welcome to the very first opening and build for my new Lego channel. For anyone who isn't aware, I've actually been making coin videos on YouTube since the year 2019, and I recently picked up the hobby of building Lego. My girlfriend actually got me into it, and she started out by building all of the different new flower and floral sets that Lego has been making, and I was absolutely fascinated by those. Like most, I built and collected Lego as a kid, but I haven't actually tuned into what they have been making in the last 10 or 20 years, and I have been amazed at all of the Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter sets. And one thing that really caught my eye is these poly bags. I'm someone that really likes a deal if you can get it, and you can find these poly bags for some really reasonable prices if you hunt them. Now, this one right here is the iconic red plane. It comes with 51 pieces. You can sometimes find these for around $5 at your local dollar stores. You can also find them at Walmart, Toys R Us. You really have to hunt them out though if you want to find the different designs. This one right here is the iconic red plane, and it is from the Creator 3-in-1 series. So the really cool thing about this series is you can actually take these apart and rebuild them as different builds. Right there you see a boat, and it looks like a different version of a plane. But for this video, we are going to be building the iconic red plane design. These poly bags are really cool and they are a good price, and I would definitely like to show you guys some of the awesome builds that you can find inside of these bags. But before I can rip this open, I would really appreciate if you guys would smash that thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and also hit that bell notification so you can follow along with my new videos as they are being released. And then without any further ado, what do you say we tear this bag open and see what kind of pieces and goodies lie within? Let's get it, guys.